Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a fresh and stylish way to rock your hair? Braids are a versatile and trendy option for men. In this video, we will explore a variety of braided hairstyles that are perfect for any occasion. From classic cornrows to modern box braids, we have got you covered. Whether you prefer a clean cut look or a more edgy style, there is a braid for you. So today we are diving into the world of men's braided hairstyle. Braids have been a popular choice for men for centuries, and they are still going strong today. Box braids are a type of braid that is created by dividing the hair into squares and braiding each square individually. Box braids can be worn in a variety of lengths and styles. You can wear them long and flowing, or you can keep them short and neat. Watch this video till the end to get more style inspiration and ideas and tips on how to maintain this hairstyle. See you at the end of this video. Maintenance tips. It is important to keep your braids clean and healthy. You can wash your hair with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. To keep your hair moisturized, use a leave-in conditioner or hair oil. To protect your braids at night, tie them up in a loose bun or scarf. I hope this video has inspired you to try a new braided hairstyle. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair inspirations. Thank you for watching.